Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make raw mango chutney. So I'm using one big mango here, one big raw mango. I've just grated that in this side here. Yeah, so I'm using some fresh coriander, about 3 cloves of garlic, which I've already grated, a few green chilies, also some salt. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix the salt with the chili, the coriander and the garlic cloves. Okay, so now I'm going to mix the grated raw mango. Make sure you mix everything properly, because otherwise if you don't mix everything properly it's not going to taste nice. And instead of fresh green chilies you can add red dried chilies.